Yo, what is up, everybody? Today we're gonna read some 1v1.lol on keyboard. Don't mind my name. Yeah, just did that on purpose. So yeah, let's go try to hit some clips. You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty bad. So. Oh my god, just that at the end. Where this guy? Oh, to this thing. Sniper. Best aim, bro. Best sniper aim. Ready? Oh my god, get clips, bro. Flip the montage. Let's go. Play some box 2v2. Alright, we're back. Let's skip that part. Yo, what is my FPS? Can't play like this. No. No. My FPS is too low. It's just the I'm bad. I missed. Okay. Oh. Okay, I guess I can shoot. He literally just ran past me. Oh my god, I'm insane. Alright, we're gonna play 1v1 instead. Come on, peek. I'm knocking down. I'm gonna die. What? Yeah. Oh yeah? Oh my god. Who's the crack one now? Never mind. Take that back.